Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the Arteck split ergonomic keyboard with cushioned wrist and palm rest, we want to let you know that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This wireless ergonomic keyboard is designed to provide a comfortable and natural typing experience, especially for those who spend long hours at their computer. The standout feature of this keyboard is its split design, which helps position your wrists and forearms in a relaxed, natural posture, reducing strain and fatigue. Complementing this is the soft cushioned wrist rest that offers excellent support, making typing sessions much more comfortable. Whether you're working on a desktop or laptop running Windows, the Arteck keyboard offers easy setup. Just plug in the nano USB receiver stored conveniently at the back of the keyboard, and you're ready to go. Battery life is impressive, with a rechargeable lithium battery that can last up to 6 months on a single charge, assuming about 2 hours of daily usage. This means less hassle with frequent charging. The keyboard package also includes a USB-C charging cable, a welcome guide, and a 24-month warranty backed by friendly customer service, which adds peace of mind. Pros: ergonomic split design reduces wrist and forearm strain. Cushioned wrist and palm rest enhances typing comfort. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, up to 6 months per charge. Easy plug-and-play setup with nano USB receiver, compact and wireless, reducing desk clutter. Comes with a 24-month warranty and responsive customer support. Cons: only compatible with Windows devices. Limiting use for Mac users. The 2.4G wireless connection might experience occasional interference in crowded environments. No backlighting, which may be a downside for users who prefer typing in low-light settings. Overall, the Arteck split ergonomic keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve typing comfort and reduce repetitive strain injuries. If you want to enhance your workspace with a reliable, ergonomic, and wireless keyboard, this model is definitely worth considering. Remember, the link to purchase this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss out on the savings.